This video will take you through how to use the Junior manual foot gauge. This foot gauge is a weight-off device used to measure the length and width of each foot. You can measure from a kid size 7 to a youth size 12. All measurements are the recommended starting size. When preparing to use the gauge, it is important to explain what you are doing to both the child and the parent. Check that socks fit well and trousers are rolled up above the ankle. You will also need to check the child's sitting position. With the child seated, the foot should be at a 90-degree angle to the lower leg. The heel should rest in the heel rest. Ensure the leg, foot and gauge are in a straight line. To help with the measurement, the thigh should be parallel to the floor. If it isn't, move your measuring stool closer or further away from the child to achieve this position. An elevator block can also be used to help raise the gauge. With the leg, foot and gauge in a straight line, you are now ready to measure the length of the child's foot. Hold down the toes and ease the toe slide to the end of the longest toe. The length of the child's foot is the first number seen in the black column on the left-hand side. Our example here is a size 4. If your number is half covered or more, you should move up to the next half a size. If this was the case, it would be a 4.5. With the length noted, move on to measure the width. Locate the toe joints by running your fingers from the back of the foot forward. You will notice the toe joints are on a slight angle. Be cautious not to measure across the toes, as this is not the widest part of the foot. Pull the tape until it is just touching the foot and sits comfortably across the top of the toe joints. Read the number at the edge of the green tab. Our example here is a 36. For your width fitting, look this number up on the scale plate. Here you can see 36 sits under a 4G. If your number falls in between two width fittings, round down to the narrower fitting. Measure both of the feet and using the longest and narrowest measurement, inform the customer of their recommended size.